Welcome back to the place we're testing every single mask on Amazon, including the masks I failed to buy and Dave bought. That's right, Dave. We all know Dave. Well, he sent me another mask earlier, so I know him from that interaction. Dave writes, "Hey Lloyd, check these out. I have a bunch of them and wondering if I should toss them." I will let you know, Dave. We are looking at we found this listing, the 10-piece disposable KN95 mask by Ryeziiio. What the heck? 3 eyes in a row? What is going on? What's going on? All right, let's test this. Let's get it in the clamper. Open this up. HG. So this is 5 pieces here, very similar to the ones Dave sent before. Whoa, this is the weirdest ear loop I've never seen a ear loop like that. Put it in the clamp. Put it in Mr. Klamperstein. That's right, he's German. It's Klamperstein. What's that from? Let it rip. There's a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency Machine. You want to find out about how this is like a little bit different than like the way the CDC would be testing or other people, like check out that link. All right, let's talk about Ryeziiio or whatever it is. So right away I could tell you that this is not a real KN95 mask. I'm looking at the website here. They're saying KN95 provides filtration as high as 95%. Well, that's actually not the KN95 standard. It's 95% or above. And this is another thing to look out for. GB 2626-2006. What does that mean? If you look at any mask standard, the last 4 numbers typically are going to be the year that standard was passed. Well, 2006, that was a long time ago. What were you doing in 2006? I had less kids, that's for sure. The latest standard was 2019, so weird that they'd be selling something with the old standard. Typically, that's a giveaway. The other giveaway, and if you watched any of these videos, you're prepared to be bored because I'm going to say the same shit. It just says KN95 on the mask. Really dead giveaway is if it says KN95, I think probably 60-70% of the masks that say KN95 and nothing else end up being fakes. Well, it is a fake. It's not a real KN95 because for it to be a KN95, it would have to say, in this case, GB 2626-2006. It would have to have the manufacturer name on there, part of the standard. Also, look at the weird way that this nose wire is clearly an afterthought. See how it's like shoved in there? These ear loops, though, look at that. Have you seen ear loops that big? I haven't. Wow. Okay, Ryeziiio. I think that the extra eyes in there is like how impressed someone was by these. They were like, check out those ear eye loops. They're huge. Yeah, that thing's never coming off. Holy shnikes. I'm going to do another one because I just stretched it out a bunch. These look super soft, actually. Oh, man. They did this. The last ones you sent, Dave, are you trolling me? Did you just want to see my ears? Dave's sitting at home. He's like, man, that guy I bet has some big ears. He's going to look really funny if I give him these small-ass masks. Look at that. It's happening again. And then you can see how like the nose wire there is like all, it's just like the construction's not great. All right, let's do the smell. I'm going to call this smell wedding cake at the Ramada Inn. Just like a fancy flavor, but in a place that isn't accustomed to having fanciness. That's all we got. All right, does any of that matter if it doesn't protect you? Now remember, not a real KN95, right? We know that because they're not meeting the standards. They're lying to us on there. And actually, look at the picture. KN95, 2626-2006. They have it, the proper thing on the picture on the mask, but when it shows up, definitely not that. So, yeah, those are kind of red flags there. So what does it say? I know. Without further ado, 94.443. Now, what did the listing say? Up to 95%. They weren't lying. Not passing, up to. Technically, this is a fail. Now, it's like, oh, Lloyd, it's almost 95%. The ones that pass 95%, they try to go above and beyond. They're like 99 and 98%. This is failing the standard just barely, grant you, but they're also What else are they not telling you? Because we're only testing one thing about the mask here. There's about 6, 7 major tests you have to do with the KN95. And are they doing the other ones? I would guess not. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Appreciate you, Dave, for sending these to me. We missed this one, and I was glad to have it, even though it made me look a little weird with my ears stuck out. I think that's maybe a thing that you were trying to do, and it worked, so good job. All right, if you enjoyed this, smash that like button, hit subscribe, whatever, or don't. Do subscribe and unsubscribe. It's like, I hate this so much that I'm going to unsubscribe to you, but in order to do that, I'm going to subscribe first. I'm up for anything. You know me. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you on the next test.